You wake up in the morning, look out at your driveway, and your hard-earned money, your car, is just gone. Car thieves are so smart nowadays that old factory alarms are basically toys to them. Today, I am going to show you 5 systems that will turn your vehicle into an unbreakable fortress. You definitely want to stick around for number 1 because it is literally a car thief's biggest nightmare. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5, we have a highly reliable, budget-friendly option, the CHADWICK car horn siren alarm. For just under $35, this 12-volt system offers incredible, no-nonsense anti-theft protection. The best part about this device is its 7-level sensitivity adjustment. What does that mean for you? It means you get to decide exactly when the alarm goes off, whether you want it to trigger only on a heavy hit or just a light touch. When it comes to volume, it packs a massive 125 decibel siren that will absolutely pierce the ears of anyone trying to break in. Plus, it features non-destructive installation, so you won't have to hack your car's wiring to pieces. If you want raw volume on a tight budget, the CHADWICK is a no-brainer. But what if you want a loud alarm with absolutely zero installation? Well, number 4 has you covered. Meet the LNKERCO 2-in-1 car vibration sensor alarm. This one is perfect for those who absolutely hate dealing with wires. It comes with a powerful magnetic mount. Just slap it onto any hidden metallic surface in your vehicle and you are done. No tools required. If a thief bumps your car, they get a 2-second warning sound and a flashing red light. If they keep trying, a continuous 108 decibel alarm triggers for a full 30 seconds to scare them off. It includes a remote that works from up to 66 feet away, allowing you to arm and disarm it with ease. Running on just 2 AAA batteries that last 1 to 3 months, this is the ultimate hassle-free security gadget. But if you want to ditch the basic alarms and get some serious smart tracking features instead, number 3 is exactly what you need. We are entering the top 3 with the CARLOCK anti-theft car device. This isn't just an alarm, it's a virtual mechanic and a real-time GPS tracker bundled into one. Installation takes literally 3 seconds. Just plug it right into your car's OBD port. The second your car is moved, the engine starts, or unusual vibration is detected, your phone will blow up with notifications. And wait! If you have a newly licensed driver in the house, or maybe a younger brother who likes to borrow your car, this device detects harsh acceleration, hard braking, and sharp cornering. So yeah, no more lying about how they drive. It requires a $9.95 monthly subscription for the cloud tracking, but the sheer amount of data and peace of mind you get makes it worth every single penny. CARLOCK is great, but number 2 is for those of you who want to keep an eye on your car and control it from over half a mile away. At number 2, we are talking professional-grade security, the Compustar CS7900AS. This is a comprehensive 2-way remote start and alarm bundle. What does 2-way mean? It means the remote doesn't just send commands, it receives them. The interactive LCD screen actually provides visual and audible confirmation if your car is tampered with. The standout feature here is the crazy 3,000-foot maximum range. You can be deep inside a shopping mall and you will still be connected to your vehicle. The system hooks into your doors, hood, and trunk, and features impact sensors that trigger the moment intrusion is detected. You will definitely want professional installation for this kit, but for top-tier security and remote start convenience, it's a heavyweight champion. But even with that massive range, nothing compares to the absolute beast waiting at number 1. Let's look at the ultimate car fortress. Taking the number 1 spot is the most advanced, innovative system on the market, the Keep Car Alarm. You don't need a mechanic for this. You just place it in your cup holder, give it a twist, and it mechanically anchors into place. A thief cannot simply grab it and throw it out. Backed by 22 US patents, this device is from the future. The moment someone breaches your car, it records crystal clear video and snaps photos, sending them straight to the cloud and your phone. Built-in motion sensors trigger 2 massive 120 decibel sirens and blinding flashing red LEDs that will instantly send anyone running. It uses a 4G LTE connection, which is a $9.99 monthly subscription to keep you connected anywhere in North America. If premium, foolproof security is your goal, the Keep Car Alarm is completely unmatched. So there you have it, guys. The 5 best car alarm systems to keep your ride safe. From the budget-friendly LNKERCO to the incredibly high-tech Keep Car Alarm, which system is going in your vehicle? Let me know down in the comments. I've put links to all these products in the description below so you can check current prices. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Stay safe, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.